Oh, hi.
And we're not locked in.
All right, stop. Don't say that.
Oh,
Check
God.
it out.
I'm a little bit nervous. Oh, Jesus.
Don't look. Oh my gosh.
Christy, what the?
You're live.
Why did we do this? What does that mean?
Everyone can hear you.
Where's everyone? Don't
yeah,
show me, please.
Oh, I just did. Sorry. Hold on tight. I can't believe it. I can't look that way because it's pretty scary. But I do have to say, it is so peaceful. I'm not staying on here and giving you so much more because we got to take it all in. Embrace the quiet, the peace, the tranquility, nature. It's awesome. Hey, Pat.
Oh my gosh.
It's so cool.
I didn't know how that worked.
And by the way, we're coming down right now. Well, this is a nice sweet treat because we took it up and we walked it down. Let me tell you, talk about using your indoor training in the outdoors. It was tough. My knees are on fire. And now we can enjoy the rest of the day, but we're just gonna enjoy this peace and quiet, and I thought I'd share a little bit with you guys. We're getting closer to the bottom. All right. Thanks for checking it out. It's beautiful, and I'm happy to do this in the warmer weather and no white snow. I don't know how you skiers do it, but this is good enough for me. Okay, bye.